هم یو ریسک دا نو ووینو چې څه کېږي. مینوال هم ډېر شور کوي دلته په میدان کې، ټول په تمه دي د لوبې پیل ته.
Grand finale.
And it's good one on the spot. That's what they searched early on in the innings. So winning the toss, deciding to bowl.
Wow, first score of Ayubi Kabul, the team that has been suffering a lot of injuries throughout this tour. This is high in the air, has he got him? Fielder underneath it, he got him! First wicket! Conceded for a 5-wicket haul. Now the field, come on, he's got him! Another wicket!
Prospects of batting in Afghanistan.
No!
Play it down the ground in the cover. And no ball called as well. So a bonus.
With points, he's been given opportunity. Very big catch, side for LBW. This is getting close. He's given him 3 wickets down already.
Well, ابراهیم.
Intensity. With given and the placement is found. It's good one. It's gone for 4. It's gone for 4. Much needed boundary for the team Kabul Eagles.
You can never count out. Well, it takes it into the gap, into the covers. Yunus Ahmadzai will take a boundary there.
Searching for opportunity, relieving.
Not let it slip by from their hands. Full of ball. Ibrahim punished for 4 runs.
Great shot.
Ayubi Kabul Eagles were looking for because Siddiq Qatal and Yunus Ahmadzai are 2 very dangerous players, and just as we've seen it, sweeps this beautifully for a 4 at deep square leg region. He's the man of such pressure times.
1-1.
Oh, they want a second run. There will be a chance. Have they got it? Is it? He looks to be short of his screen.
Yeah.
They say never run. So 50 for the loss of 4 wickets, and they're still there. Did he connect? Oh yes. Maximum from the bat of Samiullah Shinwari. Much needed boundary. Is that the impetus they wanted? His wicket for a run out. Oh, he tries to heave this. Wow. Maximum. Shpagiza.
Well, Remat. Look, consistency that you demand when it comes to playing conditions. It's gone fine. It's gone fine for 4. Luck working to the advantage of Shinwari. The best.
Oh, sweep. High in the air. Fielder underneath it. Takes this. He's got him. The 6th man, Yunus Ahmadzai, is
Down the ground. Has he split the field? Yes, he has. It's 4. Welcome said in the commentary box.
Thank you, Devinder. Wonderful.
Shot of the tournament. Shot of the tournament because the experienced campaigner was running in. Pressure situation. A wicket here could have changed everything, but it transmitted. Down the wicket. Down the wicket. Fielder on the boundary. Was there a need to play this stroke? Shapul Chadran, the captain, strikes. He strikes. Shot. It's gone up in the air. It's gone up in the air, and the fieldsman will take it.
The plan has worked. The plan has worked. A wider Yorker, it'll slow.
To bowl to Nijat. Oh, has he got him? Yes, he has. Yes, he's taken the wicket. Rahman.
Nijat Masoon, go. Nijat Masoon.
Boundary. Slicing it over the top of that backward point position. They need this boundary. They get this boundary.
A welcome one for the Ayubi Kabul Eagles.
But they've been able to provide quality pictures. Lovely connection, and it's been very well picked. Very well picked by the cameraman. 4, much needed 4. Always determined 1-run victory in the inaugural match for them. This time he goes again, he's bound the gap, it's gone for 4.
Yes, as we said, Nangyal Kharote, he can do it. The Ayubi Kabul Eagles can counter. For Afghanistan, we have seen it with Rashid, and another one. This time it is huge. This time it's out of the ground. Kharote, can this be the innings that changes the match for Ayubi Kabul Eagles? Shapur is at Dawla Zadran again. Wow, that's absolutely covered their stumps. The Dawlat does what he...
50. Can they get there?
Enough to defend. Nijat Masood will start. Ball keeps slow. Bahar Ali Shinwari not wasting any time. So with the warm water, clean your throat. This time, straight into the hands. As he got him, they are claiming the catch.
Huge cheer. Engels. Shot. Beautiful shot. He is an entertainer. And it dishes out the boundary of the very first. Pressure. Cuts it into the gap on the offside. He knows the areas. He likes the cut shot. Don't give him weight.
Coming in despite the injury and playing for his team. This time, Dice it. And Dice is well for another 4.
Toying with his bowling. That's otherwise it will be anticlimax. Plays it fine. Is there a catch? Yes, he has. He's taken the wicket. Asibullah has taken the wicket. Shajad.
How is it going to go from here? Oh, slices this above the fielder's head for 4 runs.
Can be risky, can be dangerous. Shot in the gap. It's gone for 4. Intent visible. Shot executed.
That will be the wicket of Hashmat. Nijat, a short delivery, brilliantly. Uppercut by Hashmat Shaidi for 4 runs. A very good shot, a welcome boundary for the...
A brilliant bowler with a great potential.
Oh, a very good shot by... A very good thing. But he has done very consistent performance. Shot towards onside. This is going to be a boundary. 4 more runs. Ghamaizat run proves...
One of those guys with the presence of mind. And he takes that. And he takes the important wicket. The game changer, the match changer is straight away in
cricket board. He was part of that hunt program as well. 4 runs. Very good bowling, but he was unlucky. On the other hand, Nur Ali Zadran and Rahmanullah Gurba's contribution nicely cut it.
Cut away.
Beautiful cut for a 4 runs by Kabul Eagles. Miss Anak Knight looks in 4 runs. Tipped it for 4 runs. Shahidullah plays his second.
The Kabul Eagles. Sharifi's also been bowling well. Down the track, maximum shpagiza from the bat of Ghamaizat Zadran. Changes gear.
He's a brilliant striker. worse, but it's a different situation. Looking to take advantage straight away. Tickets down to the boundary.
Ramai Zadran cannot just a wicket for the Ayubi Kabul Eagles. Much needed. Oh, once again, lucky edge all the way down to the third man for a boundary.
The fieldsman at the third man wicket. His team needs from him. Straight to him. He has done it. He has done it. Sharifi is sensational. He's taken the wicket, and the game is asking him to do so.
Oh, this time drives this. Theatre behind it. Cannot stop it for a boundary. 4 runs. Much needed. Oh, slices this for a boundary. Much relief. There was a tension building up.
Afsar Zazai goes for it and he's taken it. He has taken it. Afsar Zazai absolutely gutted
The wicket of Shahidullah Kamal. The game is He's bowled him.
Kharote Nangyale Kharote, the only spinner, the only specialist is man of the dots, and he is doing it again. It's it big. Is it gone to the maximum? Well, let's see. I think how will Najat Masood come back? How will he do it? Another one, another slow ball. Will this be taken? Will this be taken? And yes, Najat Masood taking the way. Another
Go for 6.
I tell you what, Dawlat can hit a few, and he has. Has he cleared it? Oh yes, it's a shpagiza. What an anticlimax. ابراهیم on the other hand, can he hit a big one? Oh, it's a run out. They've got another wicket. Coach looks happy. The dugout looks happy.
Innovative shot. What a shot. It's gone almost for a 6. Is this a 6? Is this a 6?
With the ball in his hand. Oh, above the head of the bowler. He should be the call. Can they make two? Shahpur Zadran on the receiving end. Oh, they believe a run out. It was a direct hit.
Dawlat to Dawlat. And he goes with a cheeky shot. He gets it fine. He gets it fine. How many? There's a fumble. He should be coming back for the 2. He's coming back for the 2. Go to the 3%. It's a direct hit. It's a direct hit. Is this the match? Is this the championship for the team Kabul? Coming on his screen. What is the decision? Umpire.
That's out. Whoa. Ayubi Kabul Eagles, look at the celebrations they are making. They've been hitting the wicket. Oh wow. They got Shahpur Zadran out with a direct hit and then got Dawlat Zadran run out by a direct hit. What a show. Defending only 139 to lift the title for the second time.
Tremendous day out for the young captain. He promised optimistic cricket at the beginning of the game. Good crowd, tremendous entertainment. What a show. What a show it's been. All the bowlers responding. All the bowlers responding, defending a meager total on this wicket. What a tremendous performance. They selected a young leader to lead senior campaigners. Excellent teamwork, delivering them the home. Delivering home the victory and a cup for the second time for the Ayubi Kabul Eagle champions. They are the champions, the Kabul Eagles. This home, the win. So that's the match summary.
همزه لپاره د 2020 کال د شپږیزه کرکټ لیګ اتلان سوه دا د ځوانه انرژي بله هیڅ تصور نه کېده هیڅ باور نه کېده چې د کابل بازان دي 140 هدف دفاع کوي د میساینا اتلانو ونه سو کولی چې د خپلې اتلولۍ څخه دفاع وکړي